Hey, what's with the grumpy face?
Remember the accident last week?
Yeah?
Got my car's headlight and bumper replaced. But even with insurance, I had to pay half the bill. See this?
Wait, what? Didn't you take the Zero Depreciation Add-on?
Zero what now?
Okay, the new bumper and the headlights cost 30,000. After depreciation cuts off 50% plastic parts, the insurer approved only 15,000 and you pay the other 15,000 from your pocket.
What? So even with an insurance, I have to pay for the new parts?
Exactly. That's how any insurance with a Zero Depreciation Add-on works. But with a zero depth, they don't apply depreciation cuts. You get the full amount for your replaced parts, whether it's rubber, plastic or metal.
Oh, that would have saved me a lot this time. I'll keep that in mind for future.
Good. Make smart, informed decisions.
For any type of insurance, choose Jio Insurance Broking Limited. Get covered instantly. Visit jioinsure.in and hashtag Karo Jio Insure.